In this video, I am going to show you how to delete an eBay account. Ensure zero balance or no outstanding fees in your balance. Confirm no unresolved suspensions or restrictions. And make sure you're not bidding at any items. Log into your eBay account on the home page. Navigate to My eBay Account tab. Click Close My Account on the right-hand side. eBay's help page will try to persuade you to stay. If determined, proceed to closing your eBay account heading. Read the steps and then click Submit a request to close your account. Select a reason for leaving. Then eBay might offer solutions to retain you. If you're set on leaving, choose No Please Close My Account and continue. On the final page, read the information, tick the confirmation box, and click Continue to finalize the account deletion. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.